Good morning, students. Welcome back to plus 2 second year English. The name of the prose is on examination. In our previous classes, we have already discussed some of the paragraphs of the prose. Today, we shall discuss short questions and their answers related to those paragraphs. Now let's move to the question number 1. It is like this, and the question is 1. How did the boys enjoy their time at the swimming bath? The boy used to repair for hours and bask between dips, eating enormous a lot of buns on the hot asphalt margin. And the next question is, that is question number 2, and it is like this: what kind of pranks did they enjoy at the bath? They go in groups, play jokes at each other, come up behind naked friends and push them into water. They enjoyed these kinds of pranks at the bath. Question number 3, and it is like this: what did the writer do to the boy standing in a meditative posture? The writer came stealthily behind the standing boy in a meditative posture, caught hold of his towel and pushed him into the pond. Next question, question number 4. It is like this: what was the reaction of the boy? The boy emerged from the foam angrily, chased after the writer, overtook him, seized him in a ferocious grip, and threw him or hauled him into the deepest part of the pond. Next question is question number 5. It is like this: what did the writer learn about Ameri from the crowd of younger boys? The writer learned from other boys about Ameri that he was in sixth form, he was the head of the house, he was the champion of gym, he had got his football colors. Next question is question number 6, and it is like this: how did the writer apologized for his misconduct. The writer came near Ameri and said that he was very sorry and he mistook him for a fourth form boy and said that he was so small. His father, who was a gentleman, was also small. By saying all these things, the writer apologized to the boy. Next question is question number 7, and it is like this. Did he apologize out of fear or guilt or both? Yes, he apologized out of fear and guilt, or we can say for both, to him, because he said it was with the guilt of sacrilege. He used this phrase. From it, we understand that he apologized for feeling of guilt. Next question is question number 8. Did the matter end happily for the writer? Yes, the matter ended happily for the writer. Now let's move to the next page. Yes, that is Unit 4. Warm up. Isn't preparation for an examination very much painstaking? Yes. Preparation for any examination is painstaking and also trouble making. Children adopt many peculiar ways to face an examination. ପିଲାମାନେ ପରୀକ୍ଷାର ସମ୍ମୁଖୀନ ହେବା ପାଇଁ ବିଭିନ୍ନ ପ୍ରକାର କୌତୁକିଆ ମଉଜିଆ ପନ୍ଥା ଅବଲମ୍ବନ କରନ୍ତି. Yes, it is fact. Read the following unit of the text and notes how the writer makes his preparation for the preliminary examination for the army. Now let's move to the text, and the text is like this. I have been fortunate, Bhagyavan, you know. Who has been fortunate? The writer has been fortunate to see a good deal more of him. ତାଙ୍କ ବିଷୟରେ ଆହୁରି ଅଧିକା ଦେଖି I was very much fortunate. In times when 3 years difference in age, there was just difference of tapat, just difference of 3 years in age, is not so important, ଏତେ ପ୍ରାଧାନ୍ୟ ନୁହଁ as it is at a school. ସ୍କୁଲରେ ବର୍ଷେ କିମ୍ବା 2 ବର୍ଷ ତଫାତ ଜୁନିୟର ସିନିୟର ଫିଲିଂ ଯେତିକି ଲାଗୁଥିଲା, actually 1 year difference in school caused a lot of difference and developed a feeling of junior and senior at a school. But at a workplace, this difference or 5 years, 6 years difference will not cause make any difference as it would make in school career. We were afterwards, we means who? The writer and the boy were afterwards to be cabinet colleagues. They became cabinet colleagues. At a school, they were junior and senior students, but in political career, they were just cabinet colleagues, sahakarmi, for a good many years. बहुत माने खूब बहुत दिन पर्यंत बहु वर्ष पर्यंत दे वेर colleagues. It was thought incongruous, असंगत. It was thought विचार करा जाउतला असंगत, अमेल, mismatch, incongruous, that while I apparently means आपाततः stagnated in the lowest form. से सदाबले स्कूल रे लोएस्ट फॉर्म रे रहउतले, निम्न स्तर रे रहउतले. स्टैग्नेटेड मीन्स व्हाट, स्थिर होई रही जाउतला, डोब होई रहबा. इन रूरल बेल्ट जनरली हुई से पानी डोब होई रही, दैट इज स्टैग्नेट वाटर. सो से जगह स्थिर होई रही जाउतले, आबद्ध होई रही जाउतले. I should gain a prize पाइबा उचित थिला, open to the whole school for reciting it to the headmaster. Recite में आवृत्ति करी to the headmaster 1200 lines. 12 not a joke, not a 100 or 200, 1200 nights, 1200 lines. Up Macquel's lace up ancient Rome without making a single mistake. That means the writer was capable of reciting 1200 lines up Macquel's lace up ancient Rome without make a single mistake. This was his capacity. He knew it, and for that he should be prized. I also succeeded सफल in passing the preliminary examination for the army. Army पाई प्राथमिक परीक्षा रे मु सफल हेली, while still almost at the bottom of the school. जदियो तथापि मु स्कूल रो लोएस्ट लेवल रे ताइकरी मध्य आर्मी पाई क्वालिफाई गली. It is a great achievement for me. Who said it? Who says it? The writer says it. Okay, now let's move to the next paragraph. This is the next paragraph. This examination seemed to have called forth a very special effort on my part. ए परीक्षा रे मते स्पेशल इफोर्ट, दैट मीन्स स्वतंत्र उद्यम करिया पड़थिला, स्वतंत्र उद्यम पाई डाकरा पड़थिला. एंड आई मेड इट, मु करथिली. फॉर मेनी बॉयज फार एबव मी, बहुत पिला मोर ऊपर उच्च स्तर जे थिले इन द स्कूल फेल्ड इन इट. द क्लेवर स्टूडेंट्स, दोज हु वर far above me in education failed. परीक्षा रे फेल होइतिले, but I was succeeded. I succeeded. I also had a piece of good luck. We knew that among other questions we should be asked to draw from memory a map of some country or other. कौनसी आमर निजर, वी न्यू दैट एमंग द अदर क्वेश्चंस, अन्य क्वेश्चन मानक मध्य वी शुड बी आस्क्ड, आम पचार जीवार थिला टू ड्र, आणिकीबाकू टाणीबाकू फ्रॉम मेमोरी, निजर मनरू बाहर करी टाणीबाकू मैप ऑफ सम कंट्री और अदर, कौनसी देशर मैप टाणीबाकू. The night before, by way of final preparation, मोर परीक्षार शेष प्रस्तुति समय रे I put the names of all the maps in the atlas. Atlas सब मैप रखी into a hat and drew out New Zealand. हेड रखी एवं न्यूजीलैंड आंकी. I applied my good memory, मोर तीक्ष्ण स्मरण शक्ति व्यवहार करी. I applied my good memory to the geography of that domain. ସେହି ଅଞ୍ଚଳର। Sure enough, ଯଥେଷ୍ଟ ମୁଁ ନିଶ୍ଚିତ ଥିଲି। The first question in the paper was draw a map of New Zealand. Could understand? This was the first question. And the question is draw a map of New Zealand. This was what is called at Monte Carlo. It's the name of a town, French town. N plane, single number, N plane, and I ought to have been paid 35 times my stake. However, I certainly got paid very high mark for my paper. And I received secured high mark on my paper and qualified. Grocery. Monte Carlo, a French town famous for its casinos. An plane, a gambling bet placed entirely on a single number. Now let's move to the next page. Think it out. Comprehension questions. First one is the question number 1 is like this. 3 years difference in age is not important as it is at school. How does the writer prove it? 3 years difference may be enough in school, may be a great difference at a school career. So Churchill had to seek pardon to army in school. That is why when he made a mistake with the army, with the Amiri, he sought forgiveness. In a later life, Churchill became the prime minister and Amiri was his cabinet colleague for many years. They had no ill feeling, no difficulty. Question number 2 is like this. How did the writer fare at school? The writer remained in the lowest rank in merit list at school. It pained him much, yet he showed excellence in few fields. Question number 3. How did he win a prize at school? Churchill once recited to the headmaster 1200 lines of Machiavelli's Lays of Ancient Rome without making a mistake and got a prize. Question number 4. What was the writer's noteworthy achievement at school? The writer passed out the preliminary examination for the army when many students who were above him at the school failed to do so. It was a real achievement indeed, or it was the writer's noteworthy achievement at a school. Next question is, how did the writer prepare himself for the preliminary examination for the army? The writer thought that there would be a question to draw the map of a country, and that country might be New Zealand. He read it and got the same question, so he answered it well. Question number 6, and it is like this. Why does he call his success N plane? He called his success an plane because he had read only one. To draw the map of New Zealand, it was like a type of gambling. Actually, the same question came. So it was an plane for Churchill. And that is the end of the prose on examination and its questions and answers. We will have post reading activities in our next session. Till then, bye. Thank you.